Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency Wallets, Investing, and Trading Masterclass. This course was originally designed to be 3 separate cryptocurrency courses, but we decided to combine the material to make one masterclass in order to provide you with the most value at the lowest cost. This course was made for both beginners looking to get started with cryptocurrency and experienced cryptocurrency investors looking to learn new trading strategies or investing tips. We will go over how to purchase cryptocurrency, how to set up various wallet types to store your cryptocurrency, investing strategies to add to your cryptocurrency portfolio, trading tips for you to implement, and tons more. You will even follow me and look over my shoulder as I go through the steps to purchase Bitcoin both online and from a Bitcoin ATM. We will cover tons of topics and strategies to help you become a cryptocurrency pro. Each video gets straight to the point with zero fluff or filler. If this is not the most informative and entertaining cryptocurrency investing and trading course that you've taken, we do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee because we're confident in the information that you'll learn. So take a few seconds to check out the free preview videos and browse through the curriculum so you can see all the information that we'll be covering. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.